Hi, Tigers. As a reminder, there are three things that you always want to check every time you log into your learning platform. And those three things are over on your menu over here. You always want to check announcements. That's where your teachers are telling you important information. You also want to click on grades, and that's going to be our focus today. But before we get to that, you also want to click on discussions. That is where your friends are posting. That is where if you have questions, you can look for the answer there. But today, let's focus on grades. So I've already clicked on the grades button, and it takes me to this sheet where all of the assignments for the whole year are posted and your grades are there. Now, right now, it's showing me by due date. What I want you to do is the first thing is you're going to click on that arrow, and I want you to arrange it by module. And when you do that, it's going to put all of your assignments in order of when you did them. So it's going to take just a minute to pop up. So now you can see this is all of week 1 here. And I can see here are my grades for these assignments. So this tells me how many points I could have gotten, and this tells me how many points I did get. Here's what's important when you're on the grades is that your teachers are grading your assignments and they are also making comments about them. So they're talking to you about the work you turned in. How you know you got a comment is if you look right over here, there's little speech bubbles. So when I look at this, I can see on my problem set lesson 1, I got 5 out of 5, so I got all the points. But look, at lesson 2, I only got 1 out of the 5 points. So in my head, I'm wondering, why did I only get 1 point? So if I click on this, it tells me what the teacher said right here. It says, thank you for working hard and turning in your work. Finding volume in nets can be challenging. Try to visualize the solid shape the net would make. Then think about the number of cubes needed to fill that shape. You can call me at 813-555-5555 between 8 a.m. and noon any day this week. We can try some together. I'm going to close that comment. Now, if I look, I also see 5 out of 5 here. So even though I got them all right, the teacher still wrote something to me. And if I look, it says you did a great job finding the volume by counting the cubes. It will be important for you to remember the volume and number of square cubes it will take to fill a space. So each time when you're logging in, make sure you're looking at what the teacher is commenting, because you can fix your work and turn it back in to improve your score.